When you see a display of this scale in person, the first thing that changes is your sense of proportion. 98 inches doesn't feel like an upgraded TV. It feels like a wall has been replaced with a screen. And that shift is exactly what this kind of commercial 4K UHD display is designed to deliver. This isn't a consumer television trying to sneak into a living room setup. It's built from the ground up for environments where visibility, uptime, and consistency matter. More than cinematic features or gaming enhancements. Offices, retail stores, conference halls, education spaces, control rooms, anywhere information needs to be large, clear, and constantly accessible. At native 4K resolution stretched across this massive panel, the immediate concern is pixel density. And while physics is always a factor at this size, the result is still surprisingly controlled. From typical viewing distances, text remains legible, UI elements stay defined, and video content retains enough sharpness to avoid that stretched or soft appearance you might expect from something this large. Where it really starts to show its purpose is brightness. With a rated output of 500 nits, this display is not meant to operate in controlled lighting conditions. It is designed to stay visible under real-world commercial lighting environments. That means bright offices, storefronts, lobbies, or classrooms where sunlight and artificial lighting constantly compete with the screen. Instead of fading out, the panel maintains a consistent level of visibility that keeps content readable throughout the day. Contrast performance is rated around 5,000 to 1, and in practice, that gives the image enough separation to avoid looking flat. You're not getting OLED-level blacks, but you are getting a stable and balanced image that works well for mixed content. Whether it's presentations, dashboards, promotional media, or live feeds, the depth holds up in a way that feels appropriate for professional use. One of the more important aspects of this display is that it behaves more like a system than a standalone screen. The inclusion of an OPS slot is a key part of that. It allows a full computing module to be embedded directly into the display, effectively removing the need for external PCs or media players in many setups. That turns the screen into a self-contained digital signage or workstation solution depending on how it is configured. Alongside that internal flexibility, you get 8 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. While that is not meant for heavy computing workloads, it is more than enough for signage software, media playback systems, scheduling tools, and lightweight embedded operating environments. The focus here is reliability rather than raw performance. Connectivity is where this display becomes especially practical in real deployments. HDMI inputs allow traditional device connections, USB-A and USB-C support modern peripherals and direct media workflows, and wireless capabilities give it flexibility in networked environments. This means it can easily switch between being a presentation display, a signage board, or a shared collaborative screen depending on the setup. Audio is handled by built-in dual 16-watt speakers. While no one would choose this as a dedicated audio system, it is more than capable of supporting announcements, video playback, or meeting environments where external speakers are not immediately available. In commercial environments, integrated audio is less about fidelity and more about convenience and coverage, and this setup delivers on that expectation. What becomes clear when looking at this type of display is that it is designed for long-term operation. This is not something you power on and off casually throughout the day like a home TV. It is intended to run for extended hours, often continuously, delivering consistent output without performance degradation. That reliability is a core requirement in business and institutional environments. Thermal behavior, panel stability, and system efficiency all matter more in this category than flashy consumer features. Everything is optimized around keeping the display stable under load, especially in environments where downtime is not an option. That is where commercial displays separate themselves from entertainment-focused screens. From a usability standpoint, the experience is defined by scale. Content that feels normal on a laptop or standard monitor becomes dramatically more impactful simply because of size. Dashboards feel more like command centers. Marketing content becomes physically unavoidable. Presentations take on a level of presence that smaller displays cannot replicate. However, that scale also introduces practical requirements. Installation is not flexible or casual. Wall mounting, structural support, viewing distance, and room layout all need to be considered carefully before deployment. Once installed, this is a fixed installation designed for permanence rather than mobility. Viewing angles also play an important role in real-world usage. In large rooms or public spaces, content needs to remain visible from multiple positions. This display is designed with that in mind, maintaining readability across wider angles so that information does not degrade quickly when viewed off-center. Another subtle advantage is how it simplifies visual infrastructure. Instead of combining multiple smaller displays or building video walls, a single large format screen reduces complexity. Fewer cables, fewer calibration issues, and fewer points of failure. That simplicity can be a major advantage in professional environments where maintenance overhead matters. In many ways, this type of display represents a shift toward centralized visual communication. Instead of scattering information across multiple screens, everything is consolidated into one dominant surface. That creates a more unified viewing experience and often improves communication clarity in shared spaces. This is not a product aimed at casual entertainment use, and it does not try to be. It sits firmly in the category of professional display systems designed for function, visibility, and integration. But because of its size and clarity, it can easily extend into premium personal or hybrid environments where impact matters as much as practicality. For anyone considering a display at this level, the decision is less about features and more about intent. It is about whether the environment requires a central visual anchor that dominates attention and delivers information at scale. For full specifications and purchase details, check the link in the description.